how to change the safety valve, steam safety valve, and the anti-vacuum valve. First of all, we have to open the machine. I have to remove the top cover, and I need a 15 Torx key. Now, as we can see the coffee boiler with the OPV valve. This is a Elizabeth wood-free version. Here we have the solid static relay, 5 volts for the steam boiler and 12 volts for the coffee boiler. Is twice. Coffee boiler solenoid valve there. Steam tap LCC is the display with the memory, with the software, and here OPV valve. Here we have the steam boiler. On the steam boiler we have the OPV valve, the anti-vacuum valve here, water level valve, and steam boiler, in this case temperature probe. This is the twice thermostat, and here this is the safety valve. Okay, first of all I have to remove this tube. I have to pull the tube. Pay attention to not cut your hands. And I have to remove this Teflon tube. I have not to pull the tube, but I have to push the ring of the fitting, and with one hand, and with the other I have to pull. As we can see, now is free. Now I have to remove the tube also in this probe, the safety valve tube. I remove here because it's easier, and now nothing. I have only to unscrew the safety valve and the anti-vacuum valve. Here, if I can remove, yes, or if I want, I can remove also this tube. I have to push down here, and I have to pull, and it's very easy, but it's important when we reinstall, push the tube inside until we have the thing here. As we can see, we have this, because in production they introduce the tube until this black point. Okay, now I need this 17mm key for the safety valve. Okay, I removed this valve, and now I have to remove also this. This is 17, I think. Yes, 17. This is the anti-vacuum one, and works with this, and I have to close the upper part with the lower part with 217 mm key. I have to close one with the other. Okay. Okay. Now it's closed. And now I have to use or some glue like this, or Loxel or Loctite, or I can use some Teflon tape for high temperatures or for a hydraulic circuit. The same also for the safety valve. In this case I have to reinstall a new valve. Okay, in this case imagine that this is new, and now I can reassemble these two valves. Pay attention to not invert, because this valve works only in vertical, in this way, because have no the spring inside. Close practically only with the steam pressure. When the boiler reaches 0.2 bars, practically the valve close the passage of. Okay, in this case I installed before the safety valve 5.5 bar horizontal, in horizontal position. Before to install it's better to use to insert the tube. Is easier after to connect to this to the cross. Seventeen. Key. Practically the valve is this. Okay, and now I have to install the anti-vacuum valve. Now remember to connect the tube from the safety valve to the cross fitting, this, because okay, and push a little bit, and practically now we have only to connect the tube from the steam tap. Push, and be careful that the tube is inside, is locked inside, and that's it. We can try to turn on the machine and check if we have some leaking. The water tank, and turn on the machine. If I have no leaking, water, coffee and nothing, I can reassemble the top cover.